likewise sa nutrition rin. You don't see so much of lang po na binibigay natin because it's more on capacity, training, development, no? Especially on infant and young child feeding. So right now, actually, year 2007 pa kami nag-start with some supply. We're in 50% of all your 300 plus barangays na cover na infant and young child feeding training na ating ginagawa sa ano bang maayos na papalaga, especially nutrition for children, especially for the very young, part of that is breastfeeding. And ngayon, 2010, last year, we have completed 100%. So all of your 300 barangays, meron po yan for promotes breastfeeding and infant and young child feeding. So for each barangay talagang pinunduhan namin apat na participants. Ang pagpupundo namin ay from training funds, materials, IT materials, lahat yan, pati mga resource persons, no? From the province, meron kami provincial employees from the office who were sent to Manila for a national training on infant and young child feeding so that magawa nila ito. In all of the municipalities, midwives, ang training na ginawa ng National Nutrition Council is not only from the national sa municipal at hanggang sa barangay. So if you go around the barangays, dapat meron yan sila dyan mga core group na so if you also see those articles over there, those are the 10 nutritional guidelines that we promote. So all over the province of Zamboanga City, you see these tarpaulins. No? Siguro some of them already got nasira na rin because of where there's a